ya turatangira dutangira gute abateguye nde nande icyo nzi cyo mbasobanuzi nako umusobanuzi ni Sankara Miramax Films bateguye neza cyane ntagara abo bonyine hari byahishwe mu byahishwe harimo nk'isuzina ryanye haryo wabona hari misurange ntaye wabona Millennium Films uzabwire mama ja gusomera ijambo Millennium ngo Millennium birababaza tangira namwe cyangwa handi barakwereka munyo tangira muri Desert Elevation yaregereza umugenzi gustuye mu butayu nuko film itangiye bayitaga Sweet Water Prison ni prison yitwa Sweet Water nuko film itangiye kuki film yiswe Undisputed udakubitwa tangira muri gereza manzara bena n'imiterana n'amakofi yagereza Blackwater nako Sweet Water tena makofi ryaberagamo California State Interprison Boxing Program ground floor ati munye naberaga munyenza amashanwa yitena makofi agatimboyi muzese nyabwo wicara hakurya areba nkwishwe n'urwaye mibe karagasore mugenzi nako bazanye kamwicara impande aka gasore mugenzi nako kazize ubujura bakisende Jesus Chuyi ya bari mitana makofi no bashishikaye ya wala mukomesera mukubise piga yitwa nakuciye yawe komeza utsinde we ya komeza utsinde ngandi mba koroza mwavuze ngataza gutwara goma yo mu rwagwa komeza utsinde koroza navuze ngo ngiye ngo naritwaye ngo natwaye ya Primus ngo nzanajya no mu rwagwa ndetse no mu mangurutsa namubwira ishishikara urumva bamaniga barinjira yindwanye zimwe zivuye amajye kujya mizindi harabanza agashaka ziki personal population afite ibihumbi 7 by'imbohe n'abakozi barimo bacunga imbohe hamwe bose nagari ibihumbi 7 ni 750 na amajana 750 bamaniga barabanza agashaka ziki cyo ngaho bakabashusha yo manamubwe ngo mukure kuno ryiniga mushyira ku birayi niga muzehe bamwita Louis muzehe arimo araganira kano ka Jesus muzehe uzina terene makofi mwana wanjye twararwanaga mwana wanjye muzehe amenya ashizemo mwana wanjye twararwanaga bakemera mwana wa urumva mwana wa twarabakubitaga gusa mwana wanjye rero nari umugabo ninjye mwana wanjye mwana wa uro mwana wanjye muzehe hara ni atari muzehe yiswe Mobster Mandy Epstein yafunzwe muri 1996 tax evasion kurya imitungo ya government usa mugenzi bamaniga kuno baracyara pa bamaniga bahanesheje yomba mugize kuno ryiniga yo maniga hakuno amajameze n'abari marababwira intoryi n'ibishyimbo yo maniga araka Wesley Snipes mwibwe muri filming Expendables 3 yagukene nyinshi cyane uyu musore zanatera Sweet Water niko gereza yiswe nabitara n'amakofi rwose arebaho Wesley Snipes aza mu kibuga yagukine filime nka 57 passenger nagara ko gusakina Money Train yakinnye twinshi cyane yakinnye mnuza izo cyane abayikonye hani impamvu yo kuzivuga bamaniga baracyara pa hakurya hakuno kuri uruhande hari uwitwa Ntuza Kanazi bamwita Van yafunzwe kubera gushimuta no kwica niyo mpamvu yafunzwe kuri uruhande rundi yazize kwica n'ibindi bisa nabyo uyu namaze kugana imigwano nenga 40 ntagara akubitwa n'umunsi wa rimwe undefeated cyangwa se undisputed uyu babamwise Monroe nani ndwanye nza cyane mutangire mu Rwanda turebe Monroe aza mu kibuga rwose neza cyane ntabwo banangimira raka filime yiswe nde Undisputed udakubita udatsindwa uyu musore mukarage Monroe amaze kugana imikino myinshi cyane adakubitwa naga filime kiswe Undisputed udacibwa amazi udakubitwa undefeated defeatable amabwiriza murazi nagukubita munsi y'iki ku ntoryi upima ku ntoryi tugushyira ku nyama nta bintu byinshi mutangire musubire makona hanyuma muvane mbikote sabo usuri ngo ntajya kubitwa mu karagi birwana nenga 50 ngaratsindwamo njye ubu ngubu banyita akamara iminsi ubu ngubu nigera bavuga umupira bamwita Bonzi nawe rwose yahoze ari umuhanzi yaje hano kubera kwiba nuri murasifura ni kamara iminsi kigabo kinini shawo Mr mujye murya nimukarebe ngana gutye gukura nukurya barabasifurira tangira mukubitana sha mani bipfunse sha ngumi ya mbere bose ni moe bari muri gereza bogus kigabo bari kose abuzuhamye undi kumbe arabandi baje muri gereza hari ibyo baje kuvuga Raka Mexican Mafia bamwita Carlos Variero ni rwose nawe ni bohe yazimogi no kwica nigute nta muntu urakubita undi kigabo tangira kugikubita mugabo amushyize hasi umugabo muremure munini cyane hari waje gutangaza amakuru abwira akagasore gato ka Jesus kari kumwe na muzeyi Senyabugugu muzeyi Senyabugugu hari imbohe igiye kuza Senyabugugu muzehe imbohe ngo world champion wari champion ku isi yose waza mwitana amakofi agiye kujaza muri gereza bivuze ngo match zigiye kurya muri gereza tatse nkuri ageze muri gereza nuko ngo world heaviest champion agiye kuzamo hano kabiri gatatu arahagurukanya munini meze neza undi kumwe turuzingo wangu arabyimba mugabo subwo zunzira Mr Daka bavu dasore box tamati fuzi dasore ni gato gusa karabangutse gapitse nkubone ku gitarama box ukanya uratega zijya Rwanda gisi dasore kaha ikigabo dasore Wesley Snipes no ajya kubita ikigabo kijya hasi ndemeye undisputed duri mukina rutsinda ntaratsindwa na rimwe kuva agere muri gereza ngo amazemo imyaka 10 aratsinda arongera aratsinda nibyo mumenyereye ntago ajya atsindwa ntago ameze nk'agasenyi aratsinda buri gihe Raka Wesley Snipes mwana mereza hakuna ucira hano biraryoshye match yari hatari mu minsi iri imbere tugiye kuryoherwa n'imikino
so-called undisputed heavyweight champion of the world George Iceman Simba
ati muri gereza zacu agiye kuzana uwahoze ari champion w'isi yose utaratsindwa na rimwe gusa yishe umuntu nako yafashe umukobwa ku ngufu akaba agiye kuza gufungirwa hano bamwise Mad Manro Hacha former bank heavyweight ranked heavyweight kumbe tugaruka hakuno hari abo bari gutegura amakuru twumvishe mukanya ngo wahoze ari champion w'isi yose heavyweight champion mwitera na makofi
now you'll be moving to a new home
ugiye kujya muhira ashaje
and thieves in California's newly built
kubera ibikorwa yakoze ugiye kujya muri California muri gereza yitwa Sweetwater Prison
be okay
ndaza kumererwa neza
bad break I just got to play this thing out
ntago nyiri bwitware nabi nta kibazo
all the expected appeals but realistically what do you think of your chances of getting out before serving the full sentence of
ese musore urumva uzava mu bigenze bite bizamera bite
not supposed to talk about that
ndiko mvuga nta biganira
don't want me commenting on that
nta nubwo nzanacika ku myitozo yanjye ko ntabwo nataforum umugabo ari yamenye yoze champion w'isi yose mitana na makofi heavyweight
could mean the end for a boxer your age
ese urabona mu mirwanire yawe nta nakizasubira inyuma kugiye kubufunzwe igihe gito musore
the sport and
tubwire
Dempsey Joe Louis Rocky Marciano Joe Frazier
batangira kumbwira imirwano yagiye atsinda abantu agiye kubita uburyo bamuzengereza gora mukumaze nk'umwaka atanga ibiri utarwana bizagenda bite ntabwo bamfite
workout
ntari bingewe maniga
but when an
kigabo kirabanza cyane n'urumogi
competition
umwana namutoranye nyoro umwana abaye champion w'isi yose umwana nukuri umugabo aravuga cyane Faruka amenyo nawe ari imbere arabyuga umunwa dore umugabo barakwereka amateka y'umugabo ngo yafasha akubwa ku ngufu ntabwo byagaruca umugabo agiye gufungwa yarakeneye amavi Mr no iyi filime kigabo tugende coach
I've done things in my life maybe I shouldn't have I know that but
mugenza kuri kamwe yafashe ku ngufu kaje kuri televiziyo ntabwo nabana namenyanye n'uriya musenzi nta kindi cyabaye bagomba kumuzana muri Sweetwater Prison wa mugabo
you'll be moving into a new home
ugiye kujyana ngo muri gereza umugabo ni indwanyi Rakavin Graham zamuzanya kuri yagukine muri MI3 na muri MI2 Mission Impossible zose arimo
you continue to maintain your innocence.
mugabo uracyavuga kuri uzirengana.
I mean, I've done a lot of wrong shit in my life.
Nago nyambeshya mvuga umwanda maniga gusa ndarengana.
What I gotta rape somebody for?
ahubwo munshakire ibiceri mujye munzanira gereza tu bandi baba bakubiswe babuze n'ijana kumbe amusore ndwanyi muri gereza yumvise ko buterije inkuru zahitinze muri gereza hose ngo wagiye kuzindwanya ya mbere ku isi hose mwitera amakofi inkuru zakwirakwiye buri hamwe baritegura nta kundi n'ikeza n'imiserero bahangana na Cuba Study bakoropa barakoropa kumbe hano haruwazaga kananga twabonye umufashanya n'uyu musore Monroe.
You see him through the window?
uri mureba mu idirishya
He's got his own helicopter, sir.
umusenze mwanaje muri helicopter
Boss.
kana abantuza mu mabisi
He's the champ.
ni champion isi yose akwiye kuza muri helicopter kana bakise James
I don't want to hear that shit. This is your house. You won't.
mwana kana ukakora utwaho dusanzwe kwiba amabati kwiba imbabura
My house, I could get up and leave.
mwana hano niho muhira ndacyahari imyaka myinshi mfasha umugabo avayo ni munini cyuma cyaragiteruye uve kuri harusi usanga ataye nako
The helicopter. Maybe you would like to meet him, Mr. Ripstein.
usanga harusi mabwada ngo mwana nguri kibonke maniga kumbe kakana kaka Jesus kaje kugira musaza senya bugugugu umugabo w'imuje ku tariki 17 z'ukwa 11 saa 8 z'amanywa.
Why couldn't your high-priced team of lawyers convince a judge and a jury?
ese musore kuki utashaka abavoka benshi bagenda bumvishe basi umucamanza bakure kure
Money for it.
amafaranga nayo nabaha yikese ko ndengano mugabo afunga umutwe
Leaves me.
Vin Grams
I have received over 170 requests for interviews with you, Mr. Chambers.
ufite byinshi byo kubazwa nyakoba Chambers mugabo ni Vin Grams amazanya kuri gusa yitwa Chambers Ice Chambers
You name it. I have turned them all down.
kigufera abanza vanamo nakujyana bigufera muri gereza abandi
Sweetwater. Maximum security level 5 state correctional institution.
bamurangira agomba kugenda mu bwiriza ageza barayamubwira nta kurwana nta kwiyenza nta guterera nta guteza akaduruvayo ni ukubaho witonze kandi ubanye n'abandi neza urabyumva
Organized.
sasa nta kindi gisigaye mu zindi mbohe kigabo kiza mu zindi mbohe kigomba kurara ni ukuhamenya nta kujya gusana izindi mbohe nta kaduruvayo ntaki ni ukubaho muri giza nk'abantu basanzwe kigabo kinjira mu cyumba kirangije bete haguruka
And go.
unurangiza ugende kandi
Stay out of my way.
utazanyitambika
It's fine.
ndaryama hasi uryame hejuru kano bakisemo ingo pesi kafunzwe 9 kwicana
Listen, it's an honor to be cellmates with you.
ni byiza kuri kuba ngiye kuryamana n'umuntu champion ku isi hose umusitari kandi
Gonna stay out of my way.
utazanyera kumvugisha utazanyera kunyitambika
King, because he's the heavyweight champ. He's the man.
iyo mpamvu batamufunze cyangwa ngo anyishyure amafaranga nyamfashe ku ngufu kubera ko ari umugabo ari world champion wabigira impamvu dore umukobwa yafashe
Body to keep a distance. Don't need to make no new friends or hear no sad stories on why they're here.
sinshaka ko azagira umuntu unyitambika umpagarara imbere nta nshuti nkeneye nta nshuti nkeneye ubwe n'izindi mbuki
Don't even ask.
umuntu hatagira umvugisha namubimajije
Talking to me unless I talk to him first.
hatagira unganiriza mbere ko muganiriza
That
urabyumva
Get it.
ndabyumva
Leave the champ alone.
ndaza kubabwira ngo bareke champion wenyine sawa urakoze kigabo kiriyemera kiraho papa dakima vayo senya bugugugu
I know boxing.
nakoze amesanyewe muzehe nawe yakinaga itana amakofe kera muri za 50
who the hell are you?
urinde wowe
This is Mendy Ripstein.
bamwita Mendy Ripstein
Ripstein.
ashaka kuvuga iki
Yeah, my manager Yank Lewis, he told me to say hello.
umutoza wanjye Yanga Louis yarakumbwiye umutoza wanjye
He said you two were friends in Miami
yambwiye ko mwari inshuti mukiri muri Miami
years ago.
I didn't have any friends in Miami.
nta nshuti nagiraga muri Miami muzehe aravuga asunikiriza nawe
Old days, they're full of shit.
yari umwanda wa musenzi umubwiye naramukubise muri ringe tukiri abasore
But we got a champion right here.
gusa yageze amaherwa mu buzima bwa muzehe aravuga asunikiriza
Kidding me.
How much all your fights? You're not as good as you were. You just look.
musore hano dufite abasore barwana banakurenze we ntago urindwanye muzehe ara
You're not using as much head movement on the.
ntago urwana uri hamwe biragaragara mirwane yawe muzehe arani senya bugogoro
Punk in here you got in mind.
muzehe umfashije mu mwanya ko ntago mfite amagambo menshi yo kuba navuga
Fuck you.
muzehe aramutuka urakirya agapando asohotse aje guserera muze kabagiza zikaramwitambika.
Monroe Hutchett.
Hano dufite mirwanya yitwa Monroe Hutchett.
Papa on you, man.
None ndwanya hano twemera twese. Gusa muze nuserere muze nta kibazo ki. Kandi ungendere gace. Barangije nta kindi cyabaye. Umugabo nubwo ari world champion bamubwiye ko anarimo indwanya ishaka kumuhangara. Kandi atasuzugura yitwa Monroe Hutchett. Imboye zivayo. Imboye zose zamenye ko ikigabo cinjiyemo hano. Yeah. Ikigabo cyafasha ahubwo ku ngufu. Hano rwose imbohe mujya gukamura ryehe icyarimwe. Guporeza amakagendera sangahe isaha imwe. Ibintu byose ni kuri gahunda. Gereza uburyo iteye. Saa 11 z'umugoroba ngo bajya kurya. Saa icyakura. Wa musore Monroe azanyambara akagofero. Ngoyo. Ikigabo kimena ibiryo nta kurya nk'imbohe. Cyakurya nk'umukire afite amafaranga. Arangije.
One of these suckers in here is Monroe Hutchett.
Uyu musenzi yitwa Monroe Hutchett ni uwuhe? Uriya w'umukara wambaye akagofero k'umweru. Bona Monroe. Niyo ndwanya yemera muri gereza.
You beat them all.
Nta n'umunsi umwe yari yakubitwa myaka tumaze hano yose. Uriya musenzi arambona. Kigabo kiraho. Monroe iberi hakuno. Kimuturuka inyuma. Kwiyenza.
You Monroe Hutchett?
Ne Monroe Hutchett.
Yep.
Cyane.
I guess you know who I am.
Ndache ko zuondi bwe.
Are you the champion in here?
Ne champion ndani.
Yeah.
Cyane.
Not the heavyweight champ.
Hako na unjira bisiko ne heavyweight champion. Kwisi hose. Champion.
Heavyweight or any other kind they got.
Yo ni bicu vuga se hano. Heavyweight turi muri gereza.
In a place like this.
Ubwa mbere gize hano nk'ari umwanda.
Special program.
Cyane cyo cyazo ufite rero.
Only get bouts every 6 months. Mostly we fight guys from other prisons.
No hamara meza renga 20 aza gusubiza ubwenge kugera ngo urumve ko uri umuntu nk'abandi kandi wishimiye.
Ever since I got in here.
Havuga amagabo menshi umusore.
Brother, that's a real fine record you got.
Shakwereka niba ufite n'amafarano amuterusha. Yari abantu utangira gusera ku nshuro ya mbere muri gereza. Kimuteye urushyi ruseriye. Mwanditse ngasana n'umugingo. Kwena tsamusenzo bakora gisemani. Barakubeshe niga. Tangiye gusera bwa mbere.
You another chance.
Urabwa ne bahirwe.
Overlook what happened this afternoon and not make it a part of.
Umugoroba ngo gera muri gereza wageze saa 8 utangiye kurwana. Saa 11 z'umugoroba.
Straight, Mr. Warden.
Wihanganya ko bahawaden.
Some convict doing 5 to 10. I'm a real big deal.
Jewe hano nagomeze ngizini mbohe.
Heavyweight champ.
Ndi champion kwisi hose.
The most famous man in the world.
Domo star kwisi baranzi.
You gonna lean on me like these punks you got in here.
Mugomba kumfukamira nko bari bapfukamira.
If anything happens to me.
Hagize kimbaho.
Oh, it's gonna be on the 6 o'clock news.
Kamubwiza ukuri.
Worldwide. There's gonna be a whole.
Umasa 6
asking a whole lot of.
Isi yose yabirimera baserereza kandi abatesha umutwe. Hano abari intambara. Sasa umugabo yizeye ko afite abafana benshi kuri iyi si. Haramutse agize umuntu umukubita. Havoka fight.
Champion and a potential public relations nightmare.
Umva mabwire byanga byakundiye umugabo nagashaka umuntu umusha cyangwa se umuntu ukunzwe kumurusha. Yumvesha ko uyu mugosore Monroe akunzwe ashaka guhangana na Monroe kandi Monroe nagashaka guhangana cya kigabo. Akomangira Monroe. Nyakuba Hutchett.
You know the little problem you had with the Iceman yesterday?
Esikumisha ngwarwanya na Iceman. Iceman ni cya world champion. Usura avuga amagambo make.
Man gave me a cheap shot.
Yaneye urusha nyiyenzaho.
But according to higher powers, you contributed to a situation that threatened.
Urabizi ko situation turimo itoroshye iramo ngo umuntu ukomeye ngo tumufungiye hano ntago byoroshye ntabwo mwahangana. Byanga byakunda nko munahuriye hanze zabari intambara zindi. Yeah. Umusore byabaye ngombwa ko bajya kumufungira aha wenyine. Hamwe azajya abona n'abantu bamuzanira ibiryo bamujyana icyo kunywa niba ashaka itaye barimuhe baramufungira indani.
There will be enormous pressure for another physical confrontation. Nobody likes this, but Mr. Hutchins' presence is an incitement to violence, and he will be.
Uyu mugabo Hutchins n'umwana mwiza n'umusore mwiza nta kibazo cye. Arabyihangana ko barimo hano indani. Yeah. Hutchins bamupfunyana indani. barasudira neza.
Yourself in there, Monroe?
Monroe umeze neza. Monroe mugeze byaramuriye. Umusozi n'utunyamufungo kwara kafite amafaranga. Amufungira ha wenyine. Ku itariki 12. Kimaze iminsi 5 cyaje kuri 7.
New duty roster just got posted. You're working in the kitchen with me.
Mwana bagwaye akazi kabe uzagiteka mu gikoni hamwe nanjye. Sasa uzagasuzugo ka sirikare. Uribyimbya ngo uri umukira gatagutareka mu gikoni uzajya uteka hamwe n'abandi apagasi.
I don't mean to be telling you what to do or anything, but it's not considered polite to ask when we're here. Kind of violation of the ethics, you know, the code. People kind of take it as
hano nakwiyenza ntabwo uhemuka naci nizo niko niyo mabwiza cyase code tugenderaho.
You keeping in shape, Mr. Iceman?
Kumbe kagoryi gakorana nuza gakorana na Monroe kaza kwiyenza hakura kuri Iceman.
Call him rat bag.
Kari akano kamufashe gahora gatwaye ibikapu bye.
Thinks he's his manager. Rat bag.
No twari ibikapu bye cyane. Kigatera ibuye. Kiriyenza shawo.
What you in here for?
Remo bicha msenzi we.
Me?
Jewe. Arondo yetse nikubwira se.
Arson.
Wait kandi Asha.
Close and personal.
Ayo nshaka dokora.
People much?
What do you mean?
You know.
Shaka yacu natarabizi.
When you were a kid or since you've been in here?
Sometimes. Not much. I never was the physical type.
Atsira musore ujye mureba muri kumwe cyane ndatsi niyo turi imyitozo mamureba. Naho nari ngumi. Muri muranyinisha.
You can say you did it.
Ya bikore nta kibazo.
Punch the heavyweight champ. You can tell.
Tera ngumi champion isi yose abantu sebone kushoboye. Ni kipan. Hey kigoryi kiriyenza kana gato. Mwana ntago narwana Iceman. Bikore.
Even like me. Come on, man. Go crazy.
Tera ngumi ntacyo zara tu umustar ko bisa champion isi yose ngumi.
If I hit you just this once, will that end it?
Narangane ngutera ngumi mwe yonyine. Ya birahita birangirira aho ngaho ikigo mugenzi cyaje kwinza muri gereza.
And it's going to make you feel good.
Biraza gutuma wumva umerewe neza gutera champion isi yose ngumi. Sabo.
Just to
imwe yonyine.
Whatever weird trip you're on and show you that I'm a good guy and I'm trying to do what you want.
Ndaje ngore ko no umuntu kandi gukora ibyo ushaka. Kiragwa kagitera ingumi barebe kwiyenza. Ukananga kubita ingumi kuzuru.
Oh yeah.
Ndabikoze mwana.
Iceman.
Mubise Iceman ngumi mani. Umukomera mashasha.
Yeah, you still feel good, Red Bag?
Wanachumva umerewe neza?
You know.
Naribi. Kigatera ingumi. Ufu birazamuka. Bazamenya guteye.
Go tell Monroe.
Genda ubwira Monroe boss wawe.
One champ in here.
Umubwira ko arajyanye muri hano bahangana kandi ngamushyira hasi. Aiwe. Karanka rwemibe mugeze kigo kiriyenza. Urugabo n'urugome. Rwateye munyenza gasore ingumi karengana. Kirangije gico. Yeah. Abasirikare na mekino mu gikoni. Kajya guteka.
Everybody know I'm in here, check me. You'll learn to respect me, homeboy, come correctly. I'll call you out, step up next, man up, better stand up. I took out the cocky, wanna be rocky niggas that ran up from the outside to inside my mental cell. Who the hell wanna start bitching? Get lost in the kitchen.
Barateka ibyo bateka. Hano nta gikoma uzana. Zana igikoma bakunyuzura bigushiramo.
Gotta spend my time making potato salad.
You know where I come from, we didn't have any kind of salads.
Baraganamo nakananga mwana mukana tuje kuryama maniga.
Darlene Early, the GAO.
Nyakubahache umeze uteye ahantu twagushize mva bakomereye ati. Navuga amagambo menshi umusore itonda. Ati naco hantwaye. Twakiriye ni kwevuye kumwavuka wawe uri afisa nkaho uri hafi gusohoka.
I want you to know.
Ko bakamwenga sigaje iminsi mike gusohoka. After ako nokora asiga kuduti. Hari ibyo yubaka. Ukasiga ukore akubaka. Mukihangana man. Nukuni. Musore ari bukabana ajya kubita bose.
In the Bay Area, next round.
Muri za 90 16 bakubisa abantu benshi cyane.
Fight here from the palm.
Ari maraba kubita ukajya Sankara abateye afite urugufu.
Hutchins undefeated, taking on state.
Tangara uruzingo nka harusi muhumure afite kime.
There's the bell. Davis has a bad cut above his left eye and Hutchins looks like he wants to do something about it.
Musore yari ndwanyi. Nanga rwanya muri gereza gusa. Rwanya no hanze. Ntago mbeshyi. arabakomite afite kime aya yarateruye rwose yarabyimye afite body ntabwo ameze nka Harusi umwe uvuga ngo mama afite iromba Harusi yarajamwe ngo Sankara nguzi ko ngo majingo ateye nk'ushushanyije nse gute ngafite akaromba bateye uwo mwana ni nuko none se mwene wanyu wafite iki mwana ngafite amenya ariko tuzayimubwira hagara bivuze nibyo bambwiye witwa Harusi
Showgirl.
kumba urugo ryo rwakajano bararushinje gufata agakobwa ku ngufu
PM, you checked into the penthouse suite of the Beverly Manor.
mugabo kuguma mu hano muri geze amafaranga yawe yo kuri konti arimo aragabanyuka.
All parties concede, but for minor discrepancies.
Polisi isa gufata umwanzuro uriya mukobwa afashe ku ngufu umugomba kuma miliyoni 7 z'amadolari y'amanyamerika.
It's true. What happened next is in question.
Biramuka byemejwe ko ibyo umukobwa gushinja ari byo urafungwa.
She wanted it.
Yarabishaka kuri mukobwa.
Makes any difference at this point?
Bitewe nuko umukobwa avuga anabisanga nta kibazo.
No, she ain't say shit. She didn't have a problem with anything.
Umukobwa ntabwo yigize amakanira.
Rollins effectively convinced the criminal trial jury that she was.
Icyo ni icyaha gihanirwa n'amategeko musore binokoza n'amafuti.
Yeah, that's why she was making all them happy sounds.
Niyo mpamvu ari Maresi zasiza ngo bamwemereze ngo ni muri gereza nyine. Ntazo batanga.
Like it rough.
Ntago ndi businye.
You know anything about that?
Arakira abuze ko kugabigurisha se.
You said don't sound like I'm calling her a hoe.
Umuvungavukanya bugene umwe ngo navuze ngo hoya.
Bully. And she could explain it away easily enough by saying that you mistook what were in fact her cries for help, or she was just in pain.
Uyu mukobwa bavuga ko amfunye mu cyumba ngo yaremera kuvasha gusohoka imyoteri mwari muri Los Angeles.
Wasn't in no pain.
Nta buribwe namushizo na gato cyangwa se gahato.
But I don't like negotiating this with your appeal pending.
No negotiating. I ain't giving that bitch shit.
Nta mwanda ndi umuhe nta no kumvikana. Dore gakobwa.
When he finished,
amaze kurangiza ibyo kwa incundebye.
On his pants and
yambara ipantaro.
Went back out into the party and left me alone.
Arasohoka asiga mu cyumba ajya mukomeza ibirori. Bara ikigabo cyinjiye mu kwa 11 hageze mu kwa mbere 15. Baza kimaze kubitika. Bombe hakuno. Nibabura. Antoine Bonnet. Bon Trinidad. Raka ni igipedi kitu. Urugabo ruracenza sha muri gereza.
I'm looking to be your friend, Chuck.
Ndimana shaka inshuti yawe Iceman.
I'm a gift.
Kandi ni impano.
I don't need no gifts.
Nta impano nyeneye nta inshuti nyeneye.
Solid.
Bitekereza.
Your friend.
Ishimire ko inshuti yanjye.
Things for Alpha Caesar's house.
Ozo nkabyinshi cyane.
You can check.
Hello, mwihangane karavamo. Urabona ifilime nyanyivana ku internet nkabazana udukoryo. Nakare baragakoryo yifashe.
Nobody, you tell him I said that. Get out of here.
Vana amsensi.
You may be the chap, but you are only one guy. Let me help you out.
Umva hari abasore mfite bagufasha.
These assassins give you something.
Kandi bona abasore afite kimi. Babita salidad. Babita saradini. Hari abandi ngo barinze umusore muri geza ngo zibyihebe. Zitwa saradini. Mukabahuza na saradini bagakorana. Ikipe y'ibyihebe.
I'm looking for Saladin.
Ninde yitwa saradini muri mwese. Dore ko maniga. Ama drobbery. Yibishaga imbundo. Bamwita Eddie Jones cyangwa saradini.
Strength and unity, brother.
Ekipa yacu muvandimwe.
Here we need cooperation.
Dukeneye korana muzandi.
We are at times discriminated against even within these walls. If you wish to come and join with us,
wakifuje kutwinga muterushye.
Brother, if you don't join with us,
nutatwiyungaho,
you'll be destroying the unity we create.
Mugabo tangira kubakubita. Biyungaze ngo mumarire iki? Mugabo arishoboye. Mugabo cyaje muri gereza kwiyenza. Kigabo kirishoboye. Nabasenzi mwe baragifunga. Kiriyenza shawo Vingrams. Kizi ko gifite amafaranga n'abavoka nta muntu cyitaho. Bavayo. Cyo gishaka kurwana na Manuro muri gereza bakinye Manuro kiyemeje kubita imbohe zindi paka Manuro bamugihaye. Tariki 13 z'ukwa mbere kinje mu ka 11 kimaze kubita amezi 2.
Warden wants to see you.
Warden ashaka kubona umukuru wa gereza.
It's quite a show you put on there.
Shaka usubiza ubwenge bwawe kugiye. Taraguruka.
I'm disappointed.
Biratangaje.
3 incidents already.
ibyo amaze gukora muri amezi 3 yonyine n'ibintu birenze na kabiri.
To send 5 men to the hospital for medical treatment. You've only been here 10 weeks. It is undeniable.
Waje hano tutugushinje gufata umukwe ku ngufu n'iki gituma cyagaragaza kuri inzira karengane. Abasore bange bari mu mavuriro. No banyenje.
You're missing the point. The warden is trying to explain the idea of
Warden nemaragira gusobanura ibitekerezo bizima uri ntago ushaka kumva. Kirahaguruka.
I'm trying to explain to him how to survive.
Ndimo namwigisha uburyo umuntu agomba kwirwanaho.
who could challenge you physically, Mr. Chambers.
Chambers, suko twabize intwaro cyangwa se munda ngo tuguhangare. Wibyimba.
When you're the champ, everybody wants a piece of you.
Umva buri uri champion muri gereza buri ashaka kwiyemeraho. Niba mbahondagura.
I got a problem, I take care of it with
Ndamutse ngize cyazo muri gereza ndabahondagura nyine.
People love a guy who can fight.
Abana akunda umuntu urwana.
Pussy, kiss your ass, put you on TV, put your picture.
Arumogi amafaranga byose yishobora kurwana urayibona.
Because people love a guy who can fight.
Abantu bakunda umuntu warwana wirwanaho. Urumva? Kigoryi kirawa. Kombe hako na arabandika ibyo bandika. The London Prize. Kumbe umusore yafata guduti utubiriti akadukoramo intuza akazu no gutamporeza amasaha. Ari hakuni cyanwa cyaraje iminsi amezi abayangaye. Afungiranya hawe nyine cyabona ni ibiryo. Dupompara dukora ari wenyine twabudomina byose. Yeah.
And I'm paying the price.
Yaka. Tangiye kuyikumamvu yafunzwe. Yarataje asanga umugore akora ikintu kigabo. Umuntu wese turi kumwe nagwa bikureba. Komese umugabo iryo joro. Arema areba ukuntu impamvu yafunzwe manza arisha umuntu. Byose arabyibuka. Najyanga mu rukiko. Byari 91.
Do you beat a man to death with
wakubise umugabo paka umwishi?
Which because of your profession and your training are considered to be lethal weapons.
Naga imbaraga zawe ugomba kuzikoresha ku bandi bantu kati imyaka 13 y'igifungo. Nimba maze mingaye ntumbase.
Life imprisonment without the possibility of parole.
Nago emere kwica umuntu tizera zikora na wenyine budomina cyose. Yeah.
Christine, how are you today? Don't get me now.
Hakuna bahamagara barahamagara wabo. Abandi bari hanze.
No, Yank Lewis.
Shaka ngavaka umutipe yitwa Yank Lewis. Niwe ushaka amafaranga kuri konti yanjye. Tibone umukire. Ufite agafaranga.
Man, it's me. Who the hell you think it is?
Nijye uracheka rindese.
Now get your ass up here and share the beauty.
Maybe I got to take it back on the gravy train.
What? Nacheka nshaka kuvana akirika.
Remember your old buddy from Miami? Mindy Ripstein?
Yeah. Nanshake buryo indwanyi zose zo muri Memphis kazi twahangana bikarangira.
If I fight some punk in here, he can maybe get me.
Hana ari umusenzi nshaka kwanza nkubitemo neve mwana avuka bona wamburanire.
Mindy Ripstein says it, then it's the real deal.
Na mpamvu man.
You can't hear this from some other guy. You got to hear this from Mindy himself. Then it's dope for sure.
If it's on the real, I'll whip on this punk's ass and be out of here.
Uyu musenzi nanzana mukubitana gatafari ngahindukiza ariko mujyane munshakira mwava kwanza manserere nabo. Kumbe yabwiye coach umuntu ashaka guhangana nawe coach arambwa ati umusore he was undefeated ntago yajya gatsindwa.
He's a full load.
No muchamazi.
He was something once. He been in here for 10 years.
Umva niba yari indwanya mazamani imyaka 10.
Be a walk in the park.
Indwanya ye ntago imari imyaka ntago gisaza.
You worried about me being out of shape. I've been in.
Namukubita mu metabwa uyu muntu ashaka mwava kano nyemvemo mu kanya minsi miki.
Man.
What? That's concern. That's
just get the fuck out of here.
Umva vano wa musenzi. Bamkinga burandira ubwo ba umusenzi je guhangana nabo.
I want you to fight him.
Kumbe amusore ne bamugariye mu bantu basanzwe.
Bare-fisted.
Amusore kwa kamugariye mu bantu basanzwe. Wibuke gishikira mushaka ko pe bazahangane. Ko byamera kose. Gica muri ka gasore ka Jesus na musaza avuze ngo aramuzi Louis Muzeyi.
Great historian of the prize ring.
Ureka dukora inkuru y'agatangaza.
Purest expression of the sport was the bare knuckle fights of the 19th century.
Ura musaza hari imyaka yari indwanya nziza.
London prize ring.
Mwana wange na utwazana ge mu Rwanda nyanyo. Sasa ibicyaro babwira ngo baroga umusore. Muzeyi yanga kubyemera tumuntu umwanda.
Was no fight.
Mupangirikanye kumve mazi ari bumwe ubundi agiye hasi nimwe muwa muri nyuma.
We handle that through the Department of Corrections. We got a guy on the committee.
Dufitira musore n'indwanya twemerera reka muhangane turebe urushundi. Tumba ni bashaka umuruga gishaka bumwe kanye kumve acika nk'intege ubundi kimuhondagure. Nta kindi cyabaye.
feel the pain all day.
ku itariki 25 hasigaye iminsi 40 kugira ngo barwane batangira imyitozo sasa bombi. Bagabo baraho musore naritoza the undisputed ni kuga filimi.
You seen the fight tape, seen what I took. I got precision, the jab keep you at the perfect distance, and it can be done.
Yeah, barason.
Fight is 6 weeks from tomorrow night. Y'all got that amount of time to get your fighters in shape.
These are the rules.
Ejo mugomba gwamabwiriza ingwanye zanyu zikajya mu nzira nzima. Kumbe kocho cya kigoryi ne yaraje.
Who's gonna ref this thing?
Bamwe mu musore wanjye afite imirwanire n'uburyo agenda.
What is this, huh?
Ne mwanda nta mabwiriza muduha.
Judge fouls from outside the cage. No kicking, butting, low blows. If you win or lose on a foul, all deals are off.
It's a bunch of
hano sasa ka abasore bafite amabwiriza yabo muri gereza. Nakubita mu ntoryi utsindwa usohoka na bintu byinshi. Kandi utsindwa uri hasi kigabo kiritoza ni kinini.
The truth is we don't know shit about fighting this way. And that makes you weak.
Yeah. Imyitozo iracyajya mbere. Wa musore nakinda akora ntago arya gusa. Iyo amaze kurya ntibigarukiraho. Yeah. Amaze iminsi aryamye kiragenda baza kunanura amaguru. Kora kitozo ari rukanga. Ara jogging. Footwork. Yirukanka kore gatize buke buke arambura amaguru. Mwibuka mugafilme nka Maxman. Wesley Snipes. Yagukinye twinshi tutandukanye. Akora imyitozo kigabo agiye guhangana hafa. Yeah. Kigabo cyaramurebye musenze ariko sha. Ariko nta mwana cyarava mato. Amatiri ingumi azamenya ko nikorera inyundo mu kuboko. Imyitozo irakomeza. Allo. Mwihangane na gasede imyitozo irakomeza. Imyitozo irakomeza. Raka Wesley Snipes. Hangane cyane. Yavuye muri tiza kinja douche.
How you doing, brother?
Muvandimwe umeze gute tugiye guhangana hafa. Kiza kumwiyenzaho.
First there's a smile.
Munsi nakobona useka.
I guess nobody's dumb enough to fall for that twice, huh?
Ndakeka hagati ya Funatena nawe uzagwa hasi kabiri imbere.
It's the ice, man.
Ntago kurwana ritaye cyangwa sindeshyo. Ni kirekire ni kinini.
In here, I'm the champ.
Kandi kini mwana ndani ndi champion.
You believe that, you must believe in the tooth fairy.
Niba wizera ryo wizera bibiri. Nanjye anze ni champion. Kibagisha kimwe avoka kirasohoka.
Your chance.
Musore tuzahurire mu kibuga. Iceman.
Boyle. Tonight on CNOX is the
Kigabo ni kinini mwakiri. Haru. Ubonye
and Chambers, former heavyweight champion of the world. Thanks for being with us, Tony.
Wakaze kuba natwe Tony no mukobwa cyafashe ku ngufu.
Scared.
Tugoba.
I didn't want to be there anymore.
Ntamushaka kongera kuhaba.
I didn't want to do nothing with him, but he wouldn't stop. This whole thing is just such a mess.
Ibintu byose byabaye umwanda.
I've been out of work since this whole thing happened.
Ntabwo nyikora akazi.
I had to have lots of
Ndaca muhana no akana mu nafungishije champion yose bakundaga.
mail from people saying that they hate me because
baranyanga bantera amabuye na batagira
gold digger and all that.
Wanafungishije bakundaga.
In my shoes. I did not want to cause him any harm.
Ntabwo ariko ntabyo nashaka kumuteza gusa yaramemukiye. Muri gereza iminsi irimo iricuma. Kigabo baracanga. Bweze aracanga cyuhatse zikubita.
Watch Tony old prison.
Basenze mazaje guteza imyagaragambyo. Batangira. Match zikaze 16 ngwibe. Udukombe hasi. Nyegaragambyo muri gereza aratangira baracanga bashaka kugikubita. Udukombe. Kirabareba ntabwo bakigira. Nabahondagura seka muri bonyita inyundo. Baransaka inyundo sha. Hano jefta akagitinya bararana.
Get me a situation ready in here.
Bwira abasirikare bose bitegura no manzi dufite mo situation itari nziza.
This is the assault.
Haro over bam zifate muzimanure.
A situation with red.
baramanuka manza bamwezi giye kwigaragambya batangira buke buke ambere raguruka amsenziwe birakere gato Iceman
Before you came here,
mbere kuza hano
I figured you were some kind of
twari dufite amaro kandi dutuje tumeze neza Manro kubera ko ari wabonye gutaba mutsinda utangiye kubyimbye umutwe bikubita abana bato.
Well, hey man, every dog in here wanted to see you get your ass kicked.
Bamusanze ugomba guhindura umumeto wawe. Batangira kuri Manro bagitera umujinya. Manro, filime nayo kifata, Manro. Nuko. Iyi filime ariko ni atari. Barima Manro. Polisi ziramanuka. Senza agiye kwica umuntu, izo imboye nk'ijana ziguteraniyeho. Hava umurambo. Mutabare, haramutse apfuye we. Tukaba naje kiraba byinene. Kibigenda mu njyana bagendamo. Bamtanze congo mu meto amugenga we. Mwihangane karava mwihangane. Mutabare sha. Manro, barayirimba Manro abantu bose. Manro yabaye Manro. Tangira kugwana n'abasirikare. Ntambarira. Ko twakavuye mu byigaragambya na kindi cyabaye. Minsi yaragiye isunika biba ngombwa ko mugenzi imirwano igera. Munsi umurwano sasa. Nicyo gihe cyageze. Raka ikigabo kiri mu myitozo hakono. Ntago ku munsi w'ihene ku munsi y'isoko ni wayigaburira ntago yabyimba. Ubwibyo rero nta yibyibwa ku munsi y'isoko. Raka bagabo zira Raka kibaye bibizu. Ubu bagiye gukubitana buri umwe acutse undi. Nicyo gihe no munsi. Raka.
My friends, courtesy of a great man whose name I cannot say.
Ajya mano byakunda babiri bagiye kuzamo arasohokamo umwe. Raka kigabo kira. Iceman.
Close attention, because I'm only going to say this once. The fight you're about to see follows a set of rules never.
Amabwiriza ni yayandi ntakwerengaho uyarengaho urabubyishe byose abagabo bose bagize mu kibuga.
No traditional rounds to speak of, no regulation size clause, just
ntago kubita munsi y'intoryi ntago kubita nuza avuga hose adakubitwa ahandi hose hondagura nta migeri ntago ufatana paka n'indwanye kandi zose zirabizi turakira n'indwanye yacu hakono yaka mashi tangire mushyira amaboko yanyu kubwo indwanye yacu twemera muri sweet water Manro imboye ziramukunda baramwemera azemo imyaka 10 narakubitwa n'umusore Katorore Manro imboye ziramukunda shawo bapfa kumva Manro bakumva kari ibitangaza ari ibirori yewe data we aho zuko twenda kungana ho gato
on the outside, weighing in at 205, the former
heavyweight champion is cyose ajya kwanga na Manro champion muri gereza banamo kikomanga mu bituzi Raka mwana ko bituma umumeto mwereka yuko urumva man uvuga batari ubwuzunza nubona ari muremure cyangwa abyemye ngaguhabye niga mureke ncomeka kazindaro nakamikoro ngo gacomeka kazindaro
and welcome to our amigos from Los
Angeles. Turyo ubuzima Mr. turyoherwe.
And reported to various cities all around our great country. Whole lot of bookmakers out there want to know what's coming down. Well, it's us against the world, my brother. It's just
abanyamakuru baravuga yavuze Mr. Yabizicyu yaravuga Hazana urwanga aravuga baravuga batunzwe n'umunwa ntabanga
all for it all. This fight ain't about money. This is their heavyweight champion. Heavyweight champion.
Abari hanze aboneko rwose.
On ESP.
Nubwo ari champion baraba muhangara. Tangire match. Nicyo gihe barasona. Round ya mbere.
Here we go, baby.
Nicyo gihe dutangire. Raka.
No. They're in the ring. Filling each other out.
Manro kigabo. Kigabo. Ifite kagufu.
remember something. Monroe's a 40-1 underdog going up against the Iceman, a great champion. Monroe swings and misses.
Chigabo. Hey, cyara mubanje shawo. Mwihangane gato cyane. Monroe haguruka. Kubita umusaza Monroe.
Monroe's backpedaling.
Monroe araguruka.
Doesn't look like he's too willing to trade punches with the Iceman.
Monroe. Chigabo kira squat. Abuzo amyundi. Monroe arahunga tu.
Monroe. He's taunting him. Monroe swings and misses. Iceman hits him with a hard right in the left.
Chigabo cyara muhaye. Bose ari muri gereza.
Oh, Monroe misses an Iceman tackle.
Monroe chigabo kiramuha.
And Monroe is going backwards, baby.
Gwina mchanze garuka. Gwina nkwereka. Baruzingo. Ving. Hagara wemye wana. Box. Aragereza. Yata. Monroe arajamya. Monroe. Kiramuhereza. Kiramuha. Yo.
Monroe is fast.
Barachibuwinga nikibyumva.
They hook up again.
Monroe.
Exchanging combinations.
Chigabo. Monroe baramuhaye. Yo. Chigabo kiraho. Ving Dreams. Iceman.
Make him bleed, man. Make him bleed. Boxman throw combinations. Left, right, overhead.
Chigabo cyaramuhaye.
Monroe misses.
Monroe
comes back with a right left to the head.
Monroe. Monroe.
They're fighting at any.
Aroreza umwakwereza ebyiri.
Can you believe it? Nice overhand right by Monroe. Iceman's not hurt, but he ties Monroe up in the clinch.
Raka. Monroe. Yeah. Chigabo. Kiramuhobagiza.
Monroe swings and misses.
Monroe chigabo cyamuhobagiza. Monroe yakubiswe.
Combination, right left. Big left hook. That's right. And a left to the stomach.
Chigabo. Cyamushyize hasi. Barasona bwa mbere ratsinzwe. Mujya mu makona yanyu.
He's the heavyweight champion of the world.
Atujye gufasha mwana mugenzi wacu mwana maniga. Iyi niyo ndwanyanye mu muratarata sha.
And Monroe is up.
Monroe ajya hasi.
Will continue.
Cyangwa atari bukomeze.
The Iceman straight ahead locomotive style may be a little too much for Monroe. He's never had to face anything like
that. Arema aramukubita by'ukuri gusa akamuhamya. Akagituka. Nta muntu ugikunda n'umwe. Aragutsinda n'ubundi n'ugure muri gira gutyo.
Confident man.
Umva uriya mugabo yihagazeho. Is a very confident man.
Monroe occasionally switches to a southpaw left hand style.
Baramuhanagura.
Working so far, baby.
10 seconds. Amusiga amavuta mu maso kugira namutera ingumi nyerere. Yongera vayo. Venus kibari birenge. Round ya kabiri. Turu ya kabiri.
Here we go, baby. Despite the knockdown,
barakomeza.
Looks like he pulled himself back together. The Iceman.
Ariko asore karakwepye karagitwa makuru twe. Monroe. Monroe. Kiramuhereza. Katurore. Senzi wangu. Bagabo. Brasquata bakaguha. Usquata kimuha. Arasquata kimuha. Kabiri kosa jya hasi. Change imbavu sasa.
And it doesn't look good for Sweetwater's own favorite son. The Iceman's all over. He's tearing Monroe up.
Chigabo.
Right to the head.
Karamuha jya hasi. Utenda kabiri amusenzi we. Abyumva. Kiramutuka.
He's talking shit. Who the hell he think he's I know he ain't talking to me. He's talking to y'all. Monroe's wobbly. He's shaky. There's no question about it. Monroe is hurt. Come on.
Yo. Mukinini cyambere nta binini nyeneye. Rwanyiza zicya kuba shaka kugiroga. Nta binini nyeneye bitanci nage wenda na wamenye.
Oh, that Iceman is one cocky son of a...
Iceman acyafite imbaraga rwose turane burwane paka.
I don't know how much longer this has got to go.
You gotta fight your fight, okay? His fight. You control the rhythm. You gotta turn this fight around. You can do it, bro. Come on now. This is your round.
Gasore kabwe Manuro atagiye kuri amateka ye nagukubita Manuro. Arabagusubije muri gereza yose. Kwari barabifatiye. Manuro yahora gatsinda avayo.
They come out and it seems like the Iceman is just trying to find that one.
Iceman atangira. Katurere mwihangane karavamo nakanya gato cyane. Karavamo nakantu gato cyane karavamo.
Roll on his ass and give him a one-way ticket to Bootyville.
Baratangira. Eh?
Oh, big right here.
Kiramuha. Kigabo. Kiri seri.
This can't go much further.
Kigabo.
Both of these men are great.
Kwifuza biremereye.
Iceman has a look of determination in his eye, but like I said before, brother scumbag, he's looking for that big punch.
Kigabo kira.
Monroe.
Kigabo cyaje kijuzwe Kigabo nukuri cyaje kije. Kiramufata. Tangiye kugira ubwoba Kigabo kiramufata. Dekurasi.
Still there, baby. Our favorite.
Cyo tangiye kujya mu bwoba gasore karuha. Gasore. Tangiye gukubita mu mbavu yakiru. Baragiho. Baragahana ko. Manuro baramuha. Arimo arabara imbavu. Igihakiruhe. Ashaka urusya cy'urugabo. Urugabo rumane ruruha. Ibihaha. Arufatira usasa. Nabwe mwihanga nanjye sije ni sede nago. Kigabo kuri Manuro. Cyaramuhaye. Manuro. Manuro baracamu. Manuro baracamu nimba vuga bari. Acubikira ingumi ya mbere ya danger. Patira muvandimwe. Cyohereza kitaraga rubwenge ariko. Kikidiga gihereza. Nagihereza. Kitaraho urutwe. Kitaraga rumwuka. Patira kubitego ashoboka. Kiye kukigaba pima imbavu no munda. Kibanza kibura umwuka ambabari kuri ambabari. Kiradiga aragihinda ingumi. Kiradiga fatira muvandimwe. Afatira umunda ni ari gupima. Kijya hasi. Iceman bwambera giye hasi biri kimwe. Amasegonda 10 n'abatarahaguruka birabirangiye. Mubona amasegonda mwabaza amasegonda mwokapfa. Iceman hasi mwokapfa. Iceman adiga ari mu mwanda tsenga kubuta umusenzi. Asunika ko ciwe. Kagabo gafite igihaha. Round ya kabiri aya gatara itsinze. Cyatinze ebyiri za mbere watsinze imwe. Tageje mu gice cya kane. Baracyakomeza turi ya kane. Komeza. Abaretse gato. Baba sifure mujye mu nguni zanyu. Manuro batangira kumuririmba. Sasa bagiye gukina icyitwa final round tour ya nyuma. Sasa rwa Iceman ufite bingahe ibitego bibiri. Uri afite kimwe. Bivuze ngo cyaramutse gitsinze. Babanganyije. Bivuze ngo Kigabo cyawe kimunze ko cyatanze cyamubanje. Ariko agitenga umyitwa knockout akagikubita ku buryo gihwera. Nikikabona imbaraga zaguruka nibwo yabatsinze. Bamusiga andi mavuta. Umwana mukubita ingumi gisinziriza. Munde kuri. Basagwa ni 10 mwe cyagura. Twagiye kandi. Raguruka zana umujinya ku Kigabo. Gikubita ingumi yitwa knockout KO. Azayirukanka. Kugikubita ingumi zishoka paka kigahwera. Hamwe kibura imbaraga zaguruka.
He must get back in this fight.
Raka. Kigabo.
Left and the right to Monroe.
Kigabo. Ariko. Kigabo. Pati mbavu. Kiramufata. Ha mwihangane ntago nacika nanjye nukuri pe. Mwihangane nanjye sigi. Kigabo kiramufata. Kiramwambara. Piga kubita. Kigabo. Kubita urutwe. Ava ku mbavu ajya ku rutwe. Nacyo kiramuha. Kubita imbavu gusa. Icinege.
Back and forth. This is a war. Oh my God, what a fight. And I'm so happy.
Bego mu Rwanda we.
Let's go, baby.
Yangiza msaza. Kubita urutwe noneho.
Right hand.
Kubita Kigabo imbavu. No mundu mwukurahera. Mwukurahera. Kigabo cya diga. No.
Monroe is punishing him.
Monroe ashimere nabi.
The head and the body. Say what you want to say about George Iceman Chambers, but he
tangira ku mutwe sasa tera squata yagikubise umutwe kibura ubwenge box yo yati bipfunsi yati ngumeze imbavu kubita umutwe nta mbabazi yo yagikoropye box yikubita inguzende kubise knockout imwe kurangiza ya hasi babaze 10 kitarahaguruka Manura batsinze dore ko yakirangije kimanuka nk'ipoto Manura aratsinze yewe data we Sankara amafaranga anyarariye muhumure ntago mvuza yanyu awe data we Boge bigambo bitumvikana hariya barishimye nyumba y'umugenzi kigabo bari barakirambiwe cyari kigena kanya mugenzi umugabo nataye muhira Manura yarakoze ibitangaza wari butsinda ari butaye muhira Manura yari cyagiye mugenzi kanzu mu rubezo sheri bagabugira ngo bo mugenzi nabarumiwe kigabo cyasigaye hasi cyagomba gusigara muri gereza imico cyagaragaje muri gereza yagaragaza ko cyafashe umukobwa ku ngufu nta kintu bwari busigaye umugabo yari ukwitaye muhira nawe akajya kwishakira ubufaranga mwitana n'amakofe ayiwe ndi uri muri Uganda barakirebye bari barakirambiwe yamanitse ukuboko amateka aracyayubaka izina aracyariyubaka Monroe yamanitse ukuboko yarabikoze kandi n'umugabo ko yarabikwiye bwagarukiye aho yagomba kwerekera muhira ugira ngo filime ko Monroe yari amateka yari indwanyi imboye zarishimye abantu bakuru utishimye aragenda yicwe n'uburoro iyi filime ugira ngo wayinganya iki hey amafaranga amamwatanze bari make yatsinze imikino 69 ari muri gereza nta kugeza homba Monroe acha urumva hano nta kintu urumva nuko iyi filime ugira ngo nuko ugira ngo filime yose uko igenze bahitaga rya zina ryayo The Undisputed yari sakada premier wasanaga kuva muri Visual Base Productions abagiye mwakoze kuza ndabakunda kandi mpamvu bakunda murayizi n'urukundo rwandenze ndabibye ubu bagendeye yahure yes cyagariwe
nsomye bikira konsomye nka yakuze Vertex pictures watch pictures turatangiye Taja Media presents Roller Coaster Entertainment bafatanyije na Vertex na ibindi simbyitaho yewe icyangwa nuko menya ko nze gusoma Damian Lee, a film by Damian Lee nukuvuga nyiri film abari Damian Lee nta gushidikanya yashoye amafaranga ye hanyuma yagera hani watu yanga nyiri jina Brendan Fraser yagukiniye Jungle Book na George of the Jungle akina the mummy kabiri Breakout yes cyagariwe nugucika kicwe n'uburoro bw'inkoko Dominic Passo yagukiniye muri Prison Break ari mukuru wa wundi witwa ari mukuru wa Scofield Holy the Fool haruri wasoma the Fugis sinzi ko mujya musoma Daniel Cash ntabwo ari cash y'amafaranga bari cha iriya ni ka please narize nasoma Amy Price Francis akarimo cyane dutangira n'umugabo yari kumwe n'umwana we je namuganiriza nagakobwa gato mwana wanjye ugomba wakabaye waramenye ibyiza igihe wagomba kumenya turi kumwe
because you awakened me. The words and thoughts of my beautiful little girl moved me.
umugabo ko agenda aganira ni menshi amagambo yemera umukobwa we ariko aravuga ko batigeze bana igihe cyahagije ntabwo nigeze mba hafi y'umuryango wanjye hanyuma kubwizo mpamvu amore sorry kubwizo mpamvu te kumuhoro ujimbabarira arabwiye umukobwa we asa nawe aganira agakobwa ke ngaka ni gato sinzi impamvu arimo kuvuga amagambo kandi ari kumwe nako
I paid a price for doing what I believed was right and I know you and Mikey and your
nimba ndi kumwe n'umuryango wanjye nzishyura ibyo nagombaga gukora simbikore nk'ukuri ndetse nkabikora nabi hanyuma umunsi umwe nzishyura nishyura ukuri. Dan Fraser niwe turora. I'll be a better father than I have ever been. Nzaba papa mwiza kurusha uko nigeze mbagwe. Nimaraganira kana ke yanagatembereje bakifotora. Bwana kubyara bagenzi kubyara ni ibintu byiza abantu benshi batajya bifotoranya n'abana babo mutinyi iki ko nuwabyaye Didier n'umutwe we yemera kwifotoranya nawe. Didier w'icyangugu no w'icyangugu arimo hano mu ncungire kitanga ubita intebe. Papa ni cyabaye hano simbizi. We have to protect the trees, Daddy. Data tugomba kurinda ibiti. Bageze hano papa w'umwana arababara akana nako kageze karababara gasanga ishyamba barishize hasi ibiti barabitemye birashira. Umugabo niwe abandi bitwa environmentalists. Abantu bagenda bakita ku bidukikije ugasanga umuntu yiteye ku kidukikije mbese nk'abantu bita ku isuku yasanga nta suku ufite nk'ayakuzangira gutya tugakubita nafite icyondo nk'abazu ukati ibyondo wowe ushinzwe gukora kubumba amatafari. Urwose ugasanga hari ikintu wiyemeje kitapfa kwangira kureba. Ba environmentalists rero banga abantu batema ibiti. Kumbe wa mugabo amaze kubibona amashyamba we n'abagenzi be biyemeje ko nta muntu uzongera gucama igiti. Sasa banyiri mashyamba rero iyo babuje gucama ibiti tarabibatereye nabo murashwana. Umugabo yagomba kurinda buri mashyamba kana amasaha amaze kwicuma n'iminsi yarongeye ari kumwe n'abandi bagenzi be bashinzwe kurwanira ibidukikije basanga hari abandi basenya ishyamba. Barareba bari abayinga duhangane nabo muze. Ye nababwiye nje mpangana na yakuza ari nkajyana mu byumba nkakubita inshini yakuza hajyumba barira ko kiri vumbu bugendana naryo kubera iki. No kumaso na hehe buri yagakoze kumuhumetso nibwo wabona ritumuka n'amapamba kavayo.